Have you ever heard that death often happens when older adults do certain things in the morning? It may sound dramatic, but the truth is that the early morning hours can be one of the most vulnerable times of the day, especially after 70. Blood pressure shifts, the heart works harder, and small mistakes in the first 30 minutes after waking can place sudden stress on the body. In this video, we're going to talk about 6 dangerous morning mistakes seniors must avoid. These are not rare events. They are common habits many people repeat every day without thinking. Stay with me until the end, because one of these mistakes is something many people believe is healthy. One of the most dangerous mistakes seniors make is getting out of bed too quickly. After 70, the body does not regulate blood pressure as quickly as it once did. When you lie down all night, blood settles differently in the body. The moment you suddenly sit or stand, gravity pulls blood downward. If the body does not adjust right away, blood flow to the brain drops for a moment. That can cause dizziness, blurred vision, or even fainting. Many older adults fall within seconds of getting out of bed, and after 70, a fall can lead to fractures, surgery, or loss of independence. The safer approach is simple. Sit on the edge of the bed for a moment, move your feet and ankles gently, and then stand up slowly. Those few extra seconds can protect your brain and your bones. Another dangerous mistake is doing intense exercise immediately after waking. Exercise is powerful and healthy, but timing and intensity matter more after 70. In the early morning, blood pressure naturally rises, heart rate increases, and blood clotting factors are slightly higher than later in the day. That is one reason heart-related events are more common in the first few hours after waking. If you go from deep rest to hard physical activity too quickly, the heart faces sudden stress. Arteries are often stiffer with age, and the body may not handle abrupt strain as smoothly. The answer is not to avoid exercise. The answer is to ease into it. Start with gentle stretching, slow walking, or calm breathing. Let the body warm up gradually before doing anything more demanding. After 70, consistency and moderation are safer than intensity. Another serious mistake is straining too hard in the bathroom. This may feel like a private issue, but it can place real stress on the heart and blood vessels. Forceful straining increases pressure inside the chest and temporarily changes blood flow. In older adults, especially those with high blood pressure, heart disease, or weak blood vessels, this can lead to dizziness, fainting, irregular heartbeat, or even stroke. Constipation becomes more common with age because digestion slows, movement is reduced, and some medications make it worse. Instead of forcing, focus on prevention. Drink enough water, increase fiber gradually, and do a little light movement in the morning before using the bathroom. Gentle patience is much safer than urgency. Another overlooked mistake is taking medications first thing in the morning on an empty stomach without proper guidance. Many seniors keep pills near the bed and swallow them immediately after waking. Some medicines are meant to be taken in the morning, but others can irritate the stomach, lower blood pressure too quickly, or cause dizziness if taken without enough water or without sitting upright. After 70, the stomach lining becomes more sensitive, and natural shifts in blood pressure can make medication effects feel stronger. The safer habit is to confirm whether each medicine should be taken with food or without food. Drink enough water, and sit upright before taking it. Small changes in timing and preparation can prevent unnecessary complications. Another dangerous mistake is skipping water in the first hour after waking. It sounds harmless, but the body loses fluid overnight through breathing and light sweating. Even if you do not notice it, you often wake up mildly dehydrated. After 70, that matters more. When the body is dehydrated, blood becomes more concentrated, and the heart has to work harder to pump it. At the same time, morning hormones naturally raise blood pressure and increase heart workload. This creates a vulnerable window for circulation problems. Many people wake up and go straight to coffee, but caffeine can stimulate the cardiovascular system before hydration has stabilized the body. A better choice is to drink a moderate glass of water soon after waking. That simple habit supports circulation, helps stabilize blood pressure, and reduces the risk of dizziness and falls. The most critical mistake of all is ignoring unusual symptoms in the morning because they seem mild or temporary. Many serious events do not begin dramatically. They begin quietly with a strange pressure in the chest, unusual weakness, heaviness in one arm, a different kind of headache, sudden imbalance, trouble speaking, numbness, sweating, nausea, or unexplained fatigue. The early morning is already a time when the heart and blood vessels are under more stress. That is why even subtle symptoms should never be dismissed, especially after 70. Do not wait and assume it will pass. If something feels clearly different from your normal state, take it seriously and get medical help quickly. Early action can greatly improve survival and recovery. Morning is not just the start of a new day. After 70, it is one of the most sensitive parts of the day. The way you wake up, move, hydrate, take medication, and respond to symptoms can either protect your heart and brain or quietly put them under strain. The good news is that these habits can be changed. You do not need extreme steps. You just need awareness and a smarter routine. Stand up slowly, warm up before exercise, avoid straining, take medicines correctly, drink water early, and never ignore unusual symptoms. Aging does not mean becoming weak. It means becoming more careful and more strategic. Small choices repeated every morning can make a real difference. This is Senior Health Tips. And if this message helped you, remember to take your mornings seriously, because protection often begins with the first few minutes of the day.